Hey guys, Joel from BZB TV here at InfoComm 18 Las Vegas. Now we're right outside Gefen. They are about to show us their newest line of HDBaseT Extenders. Let's take a closer look.
All right, so we talk about one of the most important necessities in an installation. Of course, that's usually extension, right? Getting a signal from point A to point B. And the most popular medium to date has probably been HDBaseT. Now with this technology, of course, there's a limitation of about 10 gigs. So what do you do if you've got 18 gigs of full HDMI 2.0 and need to get it from, like I said, point A to point B? Well, that's possible. Gefen is bringing you two boxes that can do this for you. We've got an extender that'll get you 80 meters and its little brother that'll get you about 40 meters. Of course, this includes things like serial and bidirectional IR capability along with power, still using that same HDBaseT technology, but also using some proprietary compression, right? And it's got a smart engine that's built into these boxes that'll only apply that compression when it's necessary. So when it gets above that 10.2 gigabit limitation, and that compression, as you can see here, I've got some displays on me running that of course show the difference between a pass-through signal and of course that proprietary compression. And I can tell you right now, there's really no difference. So this is the Gefen full bandwidth we call 600 megahertz extenders. For more information, you can go to www.gefen.com. And for purchasing, please go to bzbexpress.com.